Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Vietnam Stock Market's Opportunities. I'm so grateful to be with you today. And if you want to open a legal trading account, please contact us with the email Vietnamstockmarket.entry@gmail.com. Telegram Vietnamstockmarket.entry with the phone number is +8 491 432 6556. Or you can scan the QR code on the screen so that we can support you. And the other way to contact with us is please follow and subscribe the channel named Areca Capital Channel. The owner of this YouTube channel is Areca Hong Nguyen. She is a personal financial advisor and a Viet Capital Security stockbroker manager. You can contact her with the phone number is +8 491 432 6556 with the email hongdongyuan@vcsc.com.vn. We always welcome you to our office on the 11th floor, 109 Trinh Đạo Street, Hoàn Kiếm District, Hà Nội, Vietnam. And today, I would like to update to you some information about NT2. NT2 is one of the most modern and efficient gas thermal power plants in Vietnam, providing approximately 4.5 billion kilowatt-hour of electricity annually, around 2% of the national power supply. The plant is in Dong Nai province, which is an industrial and economic hub of Southeast Vietnam. And this is the report which was collected by Viet Capital Security, VCSC, about Petro Vietnam Power Nguyen Trạch 2, NT2, on the 19th October 2022, with the industry's utilities. Current price of NT2 is 26,600 Vietnam dong. Target price 30,000 Vietnam dong. Upside to target price more than 12.8%. Dividend yield 7.5%. TSR 20.3%. Rating by solid 9 months 2022 net profits after tax thanks to strong volume. CGM price. CGM is that stand for Competitive Generation Markets. NT2 released its Q3 2022 results with revenue of 2,168 billion Vietnam dong, $94 million plus 74% year-over-year. Reported net profits after tax of 199 billion Vietnam dong, $8 million, less than 27% year-over-year, and adjusted net profits after tax of 82 billion Vietnam dong, $3 million, minus 70% year-over-year. In our view, the discrepancy between the top line and bottom line growth was due to a large amount of compensation for non-mobilized contracted volume in Q3 2021. NT2's 9 months 2022 results were solid, with revenue of 6,523 billion Vietnam dong, $267 million, plus 45% year-over-year thanks to strong competitive generation markets, CGM prices, and volume. Meanwhile, reported net profits after tax was 724 billion Vietnam dong, $30 million, plus 75% year-over-year, completing 82% of our full-year forecast. Adjusted net profits after tax is 578 billion Vietnam dong, $25 million plus 40% year-over-year, completing 83% of our full-year forecast. Notably, NT2's Q3 2022 SG&A expenses jumped 10 times year-over-year to 209 billion Vietnam dong, as the company recorded provision for bad debts from EVN, which it expects to reverse in the future. On the other hand, NT2 booked 340 billion Vietnam dong of compensation for previous FX losses in Q3 2022 compares to our forecast of 200 billion Vietnam dong under the revenue item. We see slight upside risk to our 2022 forward adjusted net profit after tax forecast, pending a fuller review. NT2 recorded 187 billion Vietnam dong provision for bad debts from EVN under SG&A expenses. This bad debt occurs starting in 2019 and was estimated to be 360 billion Vietnam dong. From 2019 to 2021, prior to 2019, gas was approved by the government to build the Phú Mỹ Ho Chí Minh gas pipeline, supply electricity for the fuel power plant. In addition, gas was approved to collect a transportation tariff of $0.52 per MMBTU from power plants in the Phú Mỹ and Nhân Trạch areas, including NT1 and NT2. These power plants paid the transportation costs and included them into the power purchase agreement, PPA, price variable component, despite not using the gas pipeline. However, EVN did not agree to pay this tariff, which resulted in late payment and bad debts for NT2. Now, based on the state auditor's request, NT2 must book provision expenses until there are further instructions from the government. NT2 expects to reverse provision for this bad debt in the future. NT2 recorded higher than expected compensation for previous FX losses. According to NT2, it books 340 billion Vietnam dong of compensation for previous PX losses in Q3 2022 compares to our forecast of 200 billion Vietnam dong. And this is the figure 1, NT2's Q3 2022 results. Sales volume in Q3 2021 is 460 million kilowatt hour. Q3 2022 is 838 million kilowatt hour. Net profits after tax and reported in Q3 2021 is 273. In Q3 2022 is 199. Year-over-year is minus 27%. In 9 months 2021 is 413. 9 months 2022 is 724. Year-over-year 75.4% of previous 2022 forecast forwards is 82%. Net profit after tax MI adjusted Q3 2021 273, Q3 2022 54, year-over-year minus 80%. 9 months 2021 413, 9 months 2022 578, year-over-year 40.2% of previous 2022 forwards, 83%. And this is all what I want to share with you in this video. Hope this information will be useful for you. And hope you guys have a nice day. See you next time.